ephedrine. I cocaine 10 ephedrine. Ephedrine. Cocaine 10 ephedrine. Ghana Narcotics Control Board. Abre level kabaya. Fikini graphic sale. I know company license to manufacture guns. Cosmos opens incubation hub in Accra, and 30 arrange over exam malpractice. Barba Kawol, the daily graphic. Abr anyi lebo abaya. From graphic, menyo to the daily guide. Fata daily guide chuprara. Mahama didn't fight corruptions, says Rollins. Mahama didn't fight corruption, says Rollins. CJ pushes for good health for judges. Yeah, okay. So CJ Chief Justice, I push for good health for judges. YEA opens job center. YEA Youth Employment Agency. Binana I Bobugi Kobon Wene Ambranti Benyoshu. And the big one from the Daily Guide. Chupare Ale Jubilee House soldier in coup plot. Jubilee House. Kobene President Wana. I couldn't be kama orna. I soldier ko Jubilee House. Magad Dang Lombo kuna so. I know to the Ghanaian Times. For the Ghanaian Times Chupara. Ghanaian Times newspaper. CJ schools judges and the magistrate. CJ Amalgansa judge a magistrate. Majority leader criticizes monetization of electoral process. Kuma abrikashinte na ka abrigana ba politics kia machere. Fuma amala politician fuma mo kwa machere. Politics memo du papa na fora. Chipura onko ngba ntibo numuko mfe. Maybe shimulo mo kamalga. The monetization of politics, especially now in the Savannah region. National Ukumuto. You to the business finder Chipurare. A business finder. Youth to get permanent jobs. Business finder. Youth to get permanent jobs. Market summary. Top German firm to invest in Ghana and the Cosmos Innovation Center Incubation Hub launch. The business finder Abr Anyelebo Kobaya. Uncle Kokuba Junior newspaper about the new crusading guide. The new crusading guide. Fata the new crusading guide Chipurara. Market women crave for an ass as AMA city guards go on rampage. They seize our things, and the only option to give them back, is when they want to sleep with us. So I befin an ass AMA bo basan ba faso I fuban Yakra Central. I believe in the season faso point better so answer for I funam do yedi. I'm so befin an ass Armia Wanas of Tiger PI. Capital Bank Bruhaha to ASN releases another letter, and then more jobs for Ghanaians youth. So I assume Krabemba and Bamasa Ghana be the Chronicle, Fata Chronicle Chipurara, the big one. I torture victims plead for attackers, but father arms himself for court battle. Police Bria Sokoishi Eastern region. Because German Boyermo police station and Ghana police begin thinking I command Braba Paso for passing police station for Brumu and Braminilo. YEA links employers, job seekers online. I'm so Cabrin Fefin Kushuna, YEA, that is the Youth Employment Agency. I for you online, Fenyu Kushuna. We don't trust EC. NDC Biana Malgaro. 2020, the custodian newspaper. A government creates 350,000 public sector jobs. Hooray! A government create 350,000 public sector jobs. NDC increases electricity tariff by 166%, and the MPP decreases it by 5%. Wananamalgare, Doctor, His Excellency Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia. Keshintena communication tena. Membership former minister Chipurare Loma Kamalgare. NDC BB increase light 166%. Amakabare but dog light bill so by 5%. Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia Anna Malgare. The BNFT, the Business and Financial Times. Gaps in Prima can deplete stabilization fund, and the nuclear power dream moves a step closer to reality. Lebo Kabayare, the BNFT. Abr anye lebo abaya aba anye bu newspaper Chipurare kabaya na kraba le fenkangi anye kule keruwishi anye kule konukole anye kule fenkangi anye bawra burkenyiti angbanye kadega fenkangi in the next 10 years now Savannah region abala the most productive and the most strong region among 16 winning she win but madang sare so kuma bente woran kwele baby nanka koko no kole nto anya boya fenka nge yegbonwura ai amunshuli fenka nge baka berga baka kanfen bamberga department sana yo the other districts sana ai amunshuli kumu so conversational mane anya nyi jamana mbrukum ba brebi am so sama minti kole na ayo break nka anko adane muso ne men lar mo ngini fu na nyata bar nanchi so am so jande kenyam me bini miare Karicho mashuma a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim
a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulil karim ونشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله وبني فيكن كمبا زتيجين مني وتاو نيلي وبقبل إسلام جامو من واتوني ساوت الأرك نيجي أنو كولك بني إباكي هم مسلم سفيكي مني سولو في بني أفيني أمنو مسلم جامو إشيشي نعملو ميهو جبا meni sole ba fe se na mo agboke ha meni sole hu ba nu wo jamo ne shi e jake no den che e ke wa ke wa anna masajida lillahi fala tadku ma allahi ahada la la ke nwo shi ha le nwo ywe mo so jino ni ayu ye jeme no ZTV no ano kwale gbeyin no ywe mo so jino ni wo ba yu ye jeme no le ake o ba ke onyemi ba ke nyemi wo ke wo TV ba fo ZTV boni afi ni akno kwale ni South Africa o ke ba ye that's why kemo onyemi mko akemo ZTV wo ma shike hanyi wo yake hanyi wo le yake ke television ba fo ZTV bona fi nyanu Islam jamu assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh Karicho mashuma
maraba gbengbo ne krabar fo aba kabrebo kachina kabre elmusare abora na sanyi elmusuporte kosona afuti beji kosona afuti bedo abora sanyi amber kairushi angbanyeto finally I angana but with the help of Basadamta we've been able to fish him out ayal remo adani musina na alla minister dra under former president John Dramani Mahama nifinyinga madal northern regional minister na be ki upper east regional minister and be ki the minister for agric madal anyo cabinet minister shengbanyeto Honorable Alhaji Limuna Moniru anshimanye pe
awo
minister fongana
alona Gana kabata kike alna daga komo kishemba ya ba shefutan sabore kenempine kabauta kabere fala komo echefu akona akala de finan betamba amuso kishi ya ba fita kasma nan sabore kancina na bukumara wurin binkini kuma su dan lalato ekeni kuso kabin wura kabir ma kuma wu
but they were defeating today as Kobrina we didn't see it coming and the mukumu at once nakaba managina NDC trolong by close to 1 million votes unprecedented
poem non fara menchuro kagbanye
okay
faruko menchuro kagbanye yegmura na bobo mubura na bugompa na kike na angbanye kike mbrantie sunguri ania na tutana kuma fufara na kaskuma she ko yurushi na nyasa because ko yurushi monta ankilgmantamba ankilgma suna nke bishile kultare nakada alfina ye finna tan wotambo akulgotai da basibiniti awram amankilgi kanamba man kan fon kagbanye ba kilgi amma ba kishilin kultuna wurna kuma so pimfe kaman lafana bimba bile kabre fukatar manu sufra tara fumatar former minister an kana ban fe ka cina mun police abi masa ba
a police na malfa
kabre bone so for min yika bauta
Allahu akbar
an ta kuma fil ka bauta e chefu so fi medin ban kabre falla fa balana santan chuti fu basa tan chebo moto ala chef so fu me aka oto babban yin fo so abora sa kama kanyiti
inshallah amin
sanyi kono kole ne yerda na bar
ne yerda na bar
hal bin ku kono kole ba ne yerda monta me mantu warsha ka gbanyi ma ka gbanyi koso na ne yerda karim bayi decide na ban ka Alhaji Muniru a cina karim bintin din mata da yi firmu ni pipi ka ta ba mu kan muna bar shan muna wura amma an yi shile kan kallon ba dankare ne shan warso amma son gbanya da ni ka cina bit kam ya pian ba dankare ne
ana ba banya politician ara banya brand lo ba kisampar because kabre NDC na MPP bol ruk banya tana ya banso
kuma lana daga ni ke pin ka ba ta ne kuma sunan kana in kwana dankare bi su amma na ba da mata excuse me nan kan ka yelga nokun bis nan ba sama na bidan kare so amlaka sintin kuma ba ta yin cinin kwana funa a so nufi meke muni shuna ben yi dankare gbum fu ben yi fu modinga na kan kisintin an kwana ma Muniru cinare na muna bore muna nan ta wurma Allah nufi mun kan kisintin ce fu fiye yili fa bor ben shito ala suna nya ko finarai anya ke fi siyasa ko politics kamar ladini chefu so abore adan sinin ki regional minister mo abora na sinin ki food and agri chefu so mi yile mo nshin kamo nkara ta kunu muna sifa mun futa kunura amuso mun fuka ba ku kirkire finishing asuno binya konfin amata mun sun osumpa chefu so futi yile fa bor benishto mlga bi fi yile mo nishto abor man sifu shan karima man bishifo mu asifo bin bishifo so bas nan ta kasintin ne ke ni PB ne yarda an tan chuka barso kaskuma be woro sani
yerda na bar muna ta gbanya kasintin be DC
na fa bilento fi kasintin mun tin afa kike ke bi
toro mun tin afa
ke bi toro afa na kasintin bre bis halan ka balag in fi kalfa bon kasintin na ke bi man toro afa na le ko sunun gba ka kasintin gbe de se na fa bilento afa bi ni te lentu le pon bi ke kan be pin kasintin na bagban kuma nan sun ka fune afa bre toro kasintin na amma afa min tin kasintin kike fisa fa ma kun wase Allah awsota kasintin jam parfu kusu fanta kasintin bre fuma sama war kum baso so wor fur fa bor bo ke feto kasintin na fati awor kum fuma ngana she ba ma fi fofu ko durna fa mun ko she bi ko kasintin a jam parfu ada breki kan ka be wora ba kum bishif na andre number fi na police bi musu kabra bone hal ma police ko kara be musu na gba ma mun nyi ko na gba ka tar ko gba ma tar ma so be nyi fe chef so fin bal rando wow e chef so
ani badam tama mun nyelongo minister
so kabrne e tufai
because fu wa ko kan deputy minister ko minister fu mu kuntai na ba wura fu na breso
min nyina an kada original officer shi tamale ko board ko ngine minister asia banta kamo madale 53 dan kamo mo me sama sa chef for me live no me 54 bemba halim gbagba party to mo kama an mo ko so ni 54 ba na belramo yo agrek na urkumule le gbana nye yo agrek no to nda mo urkumule da mal ragba kura da mo party krauta amuso kabre fawa e chef akugba bemba so fire nyina takabauta en keni kan fagwa bentan katufu basa e chips fu balrna ka shabre amanti nyina skima ba shafo kuma abre fati yin fu ko so fi wurare me wor kom na man ma bor bu feto ba wura ka chitamo fagwa be wura ba wura ama kishbre askuma wotum kaman kurfu ka chimbo kurfu mo ban kishfuna wara forum ko so fu mo sa ban kishna ba fe puna ma na ba jeje puna bu mo shi amma kana kama na fa ban ni ten kulti ke sinten be hukumu
Gonga.
Amuso kabre.
Kabre man Alaji Limuna Muniru our stadium fe. Ento am first minister bere awra nye wazi. Am so I akamanyam nu. So akamanyam attack moto mo lakauto. Fenka nge I kabre fena e chefu ke be malako. Anasa kabanta politics na Bruna fena World Cup. Akọ tadale NDC mu na MPP ba sama amalga. Ashere gba na fa mo jikum to na gba. Uncle Minister, communication team na.
Along
I'm so anyawura breakanyiti. But Minister, in 2016, somewhere around I think June, July, Nebo for the campaign coordinator for the NDC for the Northern Region. For the John Mahama 2016 campaign. With other 10 other people. So Baymontin deliver and Nanado trashed the NDC by more than 1 million votes. Manaba, Ghana bida mark binyoroko.
Kuma bikana nkwana machinare na koso mpe anite kuma la dini mare koso baya worke ke alalana elibina metana sabor kinchina meno fo ke deliver na fo kinyi kana kuma na borban ka masfo fo kurai abora na so kachina daban fo fisa fota kaskuma wora na borban ka mun fa kumo banji kenyiti beaucoup can be deliver, beaucoup can lay. Can if we can 2016 election, because share month na mora, share month na mora. Ama fini abor kudakuna, abore abase fuko sopa, nufukini shimon bolokomo, abe kotna, nsefuko siku, mo kabin torofo. Echef sufuna boku sopana. Fimpe komunene kuma ala no so anka chinare ngba nyimi fra fumu ndurum bianyo fumu okumu kebiji
ala achika
fuka de mamba kebe ka mo koso opie ne so fi european kumu kebiji amona bor so fi ko no fulrum bianyo na kabre fa koso e che fufu igbipe nkla ntencho de ma ne bele bishifo mbina bomo na ji fintan amuso anye wurpi ampie na bor ma wurmu ye abor ma ka bor ko ka dun ne ka baut kanan ku duna fo halfin biya amuna bi torofo fin ko so ta fu be yifin lebe ko so man tan simo ko man wurmu afani ama fita na simo na epil ka bauta so anye wura ashile nkuti enkan basa ama fini nana between your civil service no more experience mononko in what we call administrative procedures in governance government bukusun anko koskomba atra como no somba atra como na frère que te sulemo fone bas kagban na koso
okay
fona sanko Ghanaians that make bombo mind na fone enfie broki ke
bancherga government anya ka be ka monfone ani pibi mfiana na woro nsumo sumpa bas na to mo bita kuna danso ka bonye mo na da monta nkeri ko mfie bruwa for understand ko so lona kasana na fatik ba in governance so bana ekena basa makaba bata kamilga na fe mo fle basa kamilga bre yesasabu bamba fule. On a because be menton wara ko back our especially for government ministry for instance. Baka for instance by introduction matter como planting for food and jobs.
So then come for planting for food and jobs now.
Na for menton wara honorable minister as a minister for agri.
Ma come for communication na. Planting for food and jobs point na nyalr. Anko koskumba ko farm service centers.
Okay.
Farm service centers na e kuma da alfin institutional base na. Ne an Colombo points mo betan planting for food and jobs are comme na wora hale anya cat sod e shi golu na navrango kuma alo no so ana sana ka na nya woro nche bodoputo aina ba ko bonko unit ko tumba ter ko mechanization unit kuma alo no so adopu ko ta abende afika to trata because for to trata an ko skuna metrical maintenance cost and running cost. Come on, fin to diesel, fee to part, fee to lay. So at the end of the day, maybe 10 acres down for call. kia to tratana so full cost of production fia ka loge adwa loge amasho futa wotan tan dona fia ka faso na fumanye so fi mo bedem to kabe do ka manye na kwamulo na wuramle yim nan yo parliament ne be approve minister mona chinare modal ranking member na hukuma o kaskama wurnene an ka baka to na nya election ne kosuna bi yile to halma ya move como parliament mbata kuma su committee na no committee brabom report amamba ka fam kula ni kabina yo to konkona aye wusho yuru an kan yomba benken kan be bora na ya wada bijiko anye ji bakrabin pass ma kosuna wale an ka yo na bor musanyi nasara an ka kapitaba ambe kligu kumuntenki ya planting for food and jobs and me come for planting for food and jobs aye kel kuma reporter ashe dem tuma aura kasinten kamontuna bu mare bu ma bi kasinten so bo fle bi nyina ne bu ka kan planting for food no so na shi na makligi keni sinin kanfo na Ghana ba yile kumba ya social agriculture
kado
kuma nan chanto kuma ba yile tunene because anya da akoko skuna nya ter kuma gesal kuma gban lunch kuma gesal na le Ghana incentive risk agricultural lending. Okay. Risk sharing agricultural lending. And ye kuye come from Nigeria na. Kuma ala no so. Akama a banks na. Masa mbabata kichito asabudopo. Ampang. Asabudopo. Kuma ala no so. Akama biluku funa na kaya do na de mu. Amantanka. Nchuma njamu. Amantanka. Bormamba. Amantanka. So high risk. Kuma mbrumbika high risk. Mbishile. Kankamo so na kafin no an kaba kene shemu ka bi toro bodopo kuma gwadan so adira ni kanyi ko su asemu mo ne babati ate kilkito so na ya brlo mu ko so no Bank of Ghana suli halan dan ta mashigbo ngase na launch kuma na kaskima barka ba mun ko so mata kuma so shen dum to tuna da wuta na nan ta na mu ba ka kilga mu awar mu ka far
Honorable Alhaji Limuna, Minister for Agric, former awo mfe chuprare anye bribare anye kini kosuwe ni kibenti ni Ghana na kagbanye yo ni chito amelga fene konukoli ni ko iri wushi be shen gbanye to anamelga and the ministry planting for food and jobs when governor introduce akalabomo kebina but mesha keta minister one example and especially this is another criticism when it from the main opposition party the MPP because when anyini PB John Dramani Mahama His Excellency former president of the Republic Mantongora komo na sukushi chebi na His Excellency da na ko for the bawora komo alemne because when angbanye call for the past 400 years efin region ko independence Honorable Muniru na angbanye na bajankro gbanye abuta achemi ne bubu ni so nta chemi ntimu aso ayegbore complain le bomunu bumu kushu na basa na afo bambasa ni region no so fel rekrebo
amam na kike gba propaganda makana fuben kina nyebe 2016 manifesto kadodra John Dramani Mahama na anyebe party na ande ngin filanda banya mbugi original nu na bad makan kokole for understand so yatabu manifesto keni afana baka mbugi bakanji na afana nyaka na nyabugi so keskwa na komba kachina for understand ko na ta ku yili na bor kan sumu nasara because akabon ba takdna ne bina sebe fana amma banye mbugi so ngbanyi pida na so ne buwa ka baji abor kam sanyi nasara ba tanjina na ba wole mna ye yura mu ko son tanwara amma mo na keke manjiji she
bu yuru kumuna
bo man ka ma wora anyara ka bra buka yo western region but don't be a promise fana buka baji bombuga okolu ko anyundo nanya sebe onumu nanya wora amba tabumbu kukola mbadanga nyibo nuna so wora she
minister mfimburu no president John Mamanyo because as 4 years as vice president manye almost 4 years as president so be that be mun ko excuse
anko excuse na anda be workomo
samu be kamura di mu asko ka ba workomo afa ba workomo
kuna kana abor ba yile ko sobrai mantan chirakomo
am so MPP be advice be fenka be san ka ba campaign ba in Savannah region
momentin kan lo because anya na mbala long Savannah region bo ma bu ka worna mu fu kumoto a office gwa bukra kwa isi anya ba wor ko so anya fara kumna long kum yile point kan tambasa kabro ka chare ne match na fe as an experience asunu dan chi kabiso as regional minister region be create ma blankrigi
region be create
kama blankrigi.
So breaking news alifenka former regional minister, former agric minister, I region be create
kama blankrigi. Yes. Further sankligi be you Ashanti region kina. Be mi chatwanya. Boko 40 something constituency. 47.
47.
No so ma brata or bomba region. No so ma brata or region. Can the more districts more for create. Comment na sabi kligi because bimbe compact bimbe kuna. Fube ke yape kosole. Adiga buka anka kutu districts bando.
But aya wanyo kokun beti amu.
Yes, but fiti amu from kasa online. 50 banchi fiti kumo so na. Fiti kum kasa online. Fiti kum kasa online pa kenye kumunene. Amoso yes kuwale regional gbawa amakuma mabel because regional level na fa pia le coordinating. Fi coordinate na a supervise districts. Districts na biaka chiga mashirbe. Brabe chiga na mbida woro 3 more 4 districts na ambina ni new district mo kabinyi bungba baba mashirbe. Ama regional level ama mashirbe mbasa.
So regional monko budget on its own. Region monko budget.
Koko budget but it's just for monitoring and evaluation. The fube shile kulti regional minister chonfe ya worle. Ama nekdale down na ndoni development bikoso. You see, so mbanya santa konfune kuti sanye region so no. Anye bemba mbalon kumo ko wale baka submora kakra wale amma man ko na mbrin kligina bemba na yu kasawle yekeni mdanga district so na kabo abato.
Yet when bekanye power this have to be create. Kokolda will be create mbanyito.
Anra.
Kokolda will be create. Which is North Gonja. Sola under President Mahama.
No,
under President Kufo.
Our Daboye.
They would Kukole. Because MPP be create Sola. And be create the recent one Northeast Gonja. Palibi Penanana. Kologe. Create Central Gonja. Create Central Gonja.
Under
Kufo.
Yes, Kumunikanda. Yes.
So Kukole be create.
Akama no kusuna so anya gbadamba anya tanjoso anka bi bugi nufka melga about decentralized departments amo gbanale mami nya so na be filo mo fira kama tinchani tai amso kusune kagbanyi tamuke yuna yengbe wuri tamuke yuna ko ba leke sintai.
No, but President, but thinking I'll think I bet like a Bragan click now across in Bangita.
Come on, no sumba regional office now. And out on the sumba tranje regional administration. Fule new dradrana. Le power anka administrators now. But I talk about regional administration. Never be change go to regional coordinating council. Regional coordinating all the decentralized departments. Nefi coordinate bomba activities. Ne cabre. Futa have department yaka water silga. You can imagine how coordinating will be very difficult because once in a while that could be meet. And regional minister and the chairman of the regional coordinating council, a can inclusion me your for understand because Antaku health department go under the assembly a she ndo. So regional office na minister bisamo she silga mbochole amashu minyenji gbadawole bimba mashu bibita so bimba tanato petro na socially kulti amoso kumona for now I don't think it's very necessary mamu region mo ka worlo nembi nya da olbesa ka worko region mo bangin mo region mo ka mo an kanfene kabre for you upper east region the health directorate wo bolga wo boku ko agri department wo sandma abano so ngbanyi bi no juju naga bemba jikenyiti akama abora takmo so bombo time na ba wor komo ama shenku bana kauta regional bekeni komo na ma solve ngbanyi bi problem kike ke benchito ama man komo abale de panacea final panacea komo so nya kan fo na boro sulina kan ba komo amon ko shaka because being gban fo wa ka chinare air condition to for na fun fo ko ta ke kubla na pafna nanka mba
Honorable.
anka bitimba e shenko to na member long yile na be me wo difference na na ma driver dra the driver for promo kamenta finfo yape amon fina yerda
Notwithstanding thinking bomo like fune bobrokos come free education I cabre kubrina all you need is a chop box man ta chop box na free school na free unprecedented
ampa
free education
bi eche ngasa nyen ko eche branyen fu anyen na anka otare ehemu no ko free education ato aboda olenyi nchenyu afumu kan bi shile kulti efin admission na mabanchi na membi wolanta nsepuche mu ka be mo so aka nyesi mu ke be nsima awtamina nyi placement muke bi gbagba aka wa gold ko na wa achilanta isi eshenko tabiya sina nyagba batamba mfiranga skasaule ansa mama nufun politician bakanga nyiso anta kumosun kusun jom mama ka fara no sina ora afara na pro because anko school market our health and akoko school na yakumo both geographical and financial access to health geographical and make them infrastructure available so for any time na but I'm pro shifter na Poemba introduce health insurance to give you the financial access. So if you were senior high school, I dig a school in a counter, never can bana. No more than education because government like local so kabechituna, kabechisuna. It's a continuous thing. Kabechisuna. So me ya bana, binye kene shena bakuna, mo miyata chiso, na kelombe. Ama be make even kolonke yile platform kamfune means free senior high school. Mapia ba masi free senior high school. Bakara bana ne be kena be community day schools mon John Dramani Mahama Warna. Amona mon loge e me na wure ni loga mo. Hale biye kefi mi ma samu day school ba. Biya da benten bar biya gbagba ba idea. Wure boarding down so the schools na be shi. So la biya ka free senior high school na. No so kala bemba. Da kuma bin yi school yo kama na lafin gbargan nan gbarge ka bre shemu na wa muso kama chito me kike yi
again as a former minister for agri cause when if gomna na four failed to do na Akufo do na agri minister bakara one village one dam unprecedented kabre bodopo then gafra bodopo one village one dam and according to Said Jibril jegede na le DC for West Gonja I demand that boful so kura na 4 dams from ntongo ko honorable minister
isi basare basa propaganda be shenaga and isi kamelga amelukusu asiba melga pir amelukusu fie keni anyeba this sometimes be journalist na me se monu biye binya gwa bayo ye keni irrigation projects mo na ora finye bomba ka one village one dam na le bo flebu na ala no so basa kamla fun kwa na nye for as a country na ni fisa agriculture ke yile kumbaya so she anye sama depend on borochu
okay
anya wor irrigation and irrigation mo na worna adiga of course the environment na point kan to irrigation amaso na ngini bombi asebe na abo flame mo kan one village one dam being the number of villages na ko northern regional dawla baka babaton wora amumba wora gba fuwa mo fuwa gba da nite yi wo mo a pond mumba wora ka so basibu 2.5 billion cedis old cedis mbia woro lombu so
250,000 new
Ghana cedis 2.5 billion old cedis
250,000 Ghana cedi
to kana kuma visa fata ko mesa nye banyi ke pilomba machine na beta ya woro lebu ko so da ka brin da kuna na min kan fuk me kun fuke ni baka kan bora ko le lombi nyasga ne be ka worna be woro kumuntansa be worna na asuboye bonunchu ama kado break man to because be more any irrigated this you can tamini irrigation ko suna worno botanga anka renovate ko enchine fin kragamo karbin chanye ama bumona konuna kini bombo kadorai Nana Akufo-Addo
His Excellency
His Excellency the President of the Republic.
And Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Forces.
Nana Akufo-Addo.
Very important.
Kono. Abamilga monamlaga shema maura. Isi basu kami nyimu. Buma natamu serious. Akama ne nyimu. 1 and 1 kenyi fini. Ankware bukamilga maluru kulutu.
Because uncle problem with this full current, full latest submission. Because come on, come on, one district, one factory, one village, one planting for food and jobs, for instance. According to the Agriculture Minister, I will create over 2 million jobs out of it. 2
million okay, be a sulfur fertilizer and water this in farm hands the job now. I see a so I can't create jobs and so on. I basco being your fertilizer and solar water. Bokuma be orle lom fitre kusunga. Good
morning, Karim. Saying that Ghanaians voted for MPP because of lies, that does mean that Ghanaians are wise and can be easily be deceived. So how many districts did John Mahama create in the Savannah region and his predecessor, JML? Idi Osman, never can be she in the Japa Secondary Technical School, for Brokomo. And this one is coming from a good morning, Mr. Abu Karim. The people of Salaga South and Pembi, your hometown. Oh yes, that's my hometown, Kitchentina. I'm a Karatina, proud Pembi boy. I greeting you and your guest. With all due respect, the overlord should give a break with traditional issues and forget of interfering into the affairs of Savannah region decentralization. We have a lot of chieftaincy issues in Gonja land, so he should focus on that and solve it. Abu, okay, Nefe Alaji Limuna is one person I admire a lot, but I'm very disappointed with him. How can you say that creation of the region doesn't bring about development? He should applaud the MPP for creating the region. Nefe Tamba, Kedere is coming from good morning, sir. Tell Alaji that Nanado promised Gonjes a region since 2007 and his quest to lead the party as the flag bearer of the MPP. In any case, it only mandates is it mandatory to create a region? Okay, so for Kabamamba. And then Kedere is coming from, okay, good morning. Ask Alaji what did Agric recorded when he was a minister. I'm sure he spread administrators across this Akati, Ilias, Nefete, and she, Bupe. Kedere, Prince Jobodi, good morning to the Anshuma crew. Keep lifting Kegbanya higher. I'm quite surprised to hear from Honorable Limuna that creation of a region doesn't bring about development, but the creation of district does. So why did the NDC promise to create 5 additional regions in their 2016 manifesto? Was it for fun? He should explain. He also said Central Gonja needs to be divided. My question is, since when did he realize that? Why didn't the NDC do it? Prince Jobodi, Nafaburakumu. I was happening. But full issue about this creation of a region, I think that is causing a lot of traffic.
Can I see Bassam understand? And if you actually at regional level, for understand, no, if you appreciate Koso Mekana.
Okay.
But if I'm at least Kia Bana, making funny our offices bimbo boogie. Banyi new regional minister, Banyi Bassin the Bubosun regional coordinating council, Banyi Amananda sa real development one machinery. Bimba the battle road development because we are a common fund. Targets na be your districts na at your regions na. You see, I'm talking about practical experience. For understand, cool. For the kind of
common fund.
But master at the region for my name.
This was not Bassa.
Bassa for the real development. Okay. So nanda Bergamotuna, nanda ni Osununa, anya ni Kudu. For understand, cool. Regional bre yes ampiambu kumun yile na nyagbaba tie awrambeshin amanifi fikeni ko so kada member resources alafin halanka ku regional gba we should be struggling na create more districts that will bring us relate mbru banka as relate come on us include awrmna Asani.
Alaji Libuna Muniro.
It's about Basi became our politics now. So, but we share Euro in Kenny and Firbo Fitanga Sumuno. But what Piabala, Akaba Momo party tuna, a big infant lena, so Nabamala Jinja.
Maybe for a short commercial break. Nkamba, Anyana and Betinyo, at the NDC in Savannah region, I bought very jittery because of Nkligi winning MPP Bra. Maybe Mulombo Kamalga. I'm so Jande Kenya, Mintikuli, maybe Niari.
Tiger nuts now. It energizes and nourishes you any time of the day. Enjoy your Onje milk. Onje Tiger Nut milk, my source of refreshment. Onje. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Being passionate about a business idea is one thing, but actually selling that idea, funding and scaling your business is a different ball. If you own a startup or have an incredible idea you would like to turn into a business, Caroline University has a program just for you. The Caroline University Entrepreneurship Accelerator program is designed to provide world-class entrepreneurial skills and fundamentals to passionate entrepreneurs like yourself. With flexible payment terms covering 3 different modules, you'll be trained over a period of 2 weeks to 3 months with boarding facilities available at our new ultra-modern campus in East Legon. At Caroline University, our students get coaching from experienced and successful entrepreneurs, potential seed funding of up to $10,000 and business pitch opportunities to other angel investors. Admissions are open till 31st March for our May 2019 intake. To apply, you can call +233 244 271978 or visit www.carolineuniversity.com or find us on social media at Caroline University Ghana. The Caroline University EAP learn from some of the most experienced entrepreneurs and acquire world-class skills that will help you start and scale your business.
Okay. Maraba gbengben nkrabar for abo kabrebe kachina kabre ele musa rebora na sanyi ele musepote kosuna afuti beji kosuna afuti benu abora akran sanjum mana honorable Alhaji Limuna Moniru awonfe amma text messages na akran wonfe good morning Mr. Abu, honorable has spoken well this morning. We should learn to love each other and fear God because we shall account for everything we do. Let's support our own. Samson Idrisu nefoten shi sunyani mba Kedereshi, Anshuma, the former minister speech is very good. Nafagatamba, former Takaruin Fishimba. Long time no here. Ashraf, good morning, Mr. Host. Please tell Honorable Limuna that some new drivers were driving mates to their master drivers for a very long time. Hence, we are best drivers alive. Minister, Beke Sanology Fenkang, Nana. Probably a good driver as compared to former President John Dramani Mahama. Good morning, sir. Tell Alhaji that Nanado promised Gonjes a region in the Yagbonwures Palace since 2007 in his quest to lead the party. Okay, Fernand to repeat Kumu. The MPP promised 4 new regions, not one as claimed by Alhaji, but when the demand and petitions were necessary, we could create 6. That is a listening government. Something Benjibo Gomna Maura. Alhaji, for the first time in so many years, Kanawin and Kana, the MPP may, the NDC may have problems in Savannah region. Maybe the MPP bring to so. Come, first one and
region, region. Region.
The third region, create like the new district we never created.
So I'm a local source.
I come on from I pour a dam, 1 village, 1 dam. But a factory she busunu and one district, 1 factory.
Man factory busunu.
I Gary processing machine factory.
You see, Karim, adanye katakini shipre ekeni. Anka amfara formula kama konkuru moto. Fi anye nyesi anye partisan position. Kampion kanke senten. Mkwanin kilgwa nkwa ka diga kan malga ko so ka diga na nya wura nin kilga bangbanyito anya ba wura bi menkeni dradra kike fura mkule basikata ku yile fene le ma yile le bespex na wota fisa for kanan kama mna yarda fo ne basika funa nya jujo mun funa nya jujo na basa gban issue because a shemumba kange and kusukol le misa ka kanke gbanye keni fube keni ndawur jakpa munun gbanye mo barka gbanye ko
naam
ndawur jakpa ba kamban anyu ndawur jakpa anani John Dramani Mahama anya sakumu anyi masa John Dramani Mahama anamman suka gbanye ba flag na kuma wukumu
mana Akufo-Addo kasanya region
man region Bimba kuna fremo duma ba kuna.
Even be akpana bejijo, especially from Labanga you saw Labak.
Amore she kuna different, but akpana alone so binye.
Comment ga MPP big buy I mo afara comme I under president Kufuor na be se ka won se
ne to kuma ngir franya le gwamnati pa because be fara ku su gbanamba lo kuma gwamnati pa na ku sun ka fo gwamnati bu ku sun ke be ci suna anya chabar suna daman kilgina baura ama kembe dai o school su mu ki na por binye samu na bijije
be mo wor ma karate back pa Salaga Makango road
akra ana ku moto nai fu da mu a contractor ka ku muta namba ra fu na ko le man fi na tawura fu da mu wan ka ta contractor no bo ku so agbarga kuma ngo fu da fi yope a char fu ka yopa karim so am fara na ne lemba loge kuma sun ka fa yin gbesi kike dikishe yaba ne fele loge ta sabore kana launch na kabre an ka chin boy na bulrum bia nyona akamawu basa no shwe nko fa benyeji
again minister the NDC more lucky in 2021 because of the squad when the MPP be present for bon parliamentary candidates kukufu kubini as NDC
no ko kukufu man squad anya bo squad na ko lunga fuben kimbole
go ba target NDC
target kan fa jonon krab mo ba so mbata yilendo bolele anya jikumu
okay
ori ebisunne ne mo kana sabas jirma awro kusuka daga sola Allah su pupura bon kele ba su pupura
it's another seat when NDC target
ba man tanye komo because anyi be MP na e shemu na fara woro
ona chiwete
abewora fopo de ma wan galus bi nenji komo finyi ngbanyi ko dakuna amashir mo funtanyo kagbanye ba mata amashir mo funtumo because am dan karmi ngina mashirbe so que ta machine ba ka funta wurli ara ngbanyi bembetin ya pe bombo dankare na lono so foka china fiji finipa
ayai aditi pen meji
aditi pen fiji ne MPP asombo tabe yile na Samuel ma wo pebe nai muni pe nai
but politics na kuma man
John Kadamba amagba danso kuru fiji na gwamnati kura
no kuma different from the traditional kura
no amo dankar na John Kefara President John Dramani Mahama Kefara yile MP de na ba busunu na mo wo pa na ka mo afi you to pay so na bi say ye jo mo da kan jin loge na moral ata amadu mambrama yin sitina because them anyaran gbanye ka gbanye ma safkata ma shibo funtumu
wana ta ma shirin funti basa
alo na nyen noi
alo binu
bi ko sok na ba ko worna na wu ama funti basa ama shibe form ba fi wusho because keni akachinara akada ba manna wura development una ba keni ma ponun rudumantai mintingin faso no wura manta ma shibe chakbasa one ambur Vodafone merchandise ndale example na number employee bia mbi dem to wotum bi kuma so nsunku suna talumba machine ta useful mbre MTN demawo on woro filling station ko employee basa tam na mun on politics before then nkala so n le funa n le aso ne mesa kakra moyana ko bomu ba mon ku masalaci non ku yiko ngbagba bagbra mon njikinka ni ya pro masalaci fo yubo mu dama go nesin trainer ba masalaci ma pro kom ama wa ndo awana onu pi na ni me porna mana ko sha me bat na bod wikito abankata isi so fuma mata asike ngini binyi kroto boke pie alo no ngbanyi ma bibli
because Samuel bia beta branti bi oshun ko so we ne for government mentan wura for
ye ken bi mo mbi ma for na nyamata
fire service
anta bo mo
abeyere basa fire service ayer basa soldier
police mantra na nda ben tramo ke police na so ankata bi wota ma muniru anka basa bo school fee
ba quantum na nyeke ni basa because Samuel deputy chief of staff basa we ne kenyin on what the government
so be yin fune binyanta landeni Ncherga limama
wana lendeni wala limam
limama le John Dramani mama mgbanyi to adiga anyi katampie abor ma be sabin limam gun national chief
angbanya this is kabruda this is tribal politics
come the tribal politics
tribal
bo mpa nkoko borai boko pika ba bepemuna nene ngbanyi maraka
Ghana bambra the constitution frowns on these things. Constitutional labor
kamale lo boko be wora muna anyagba pende anyem kan funa akamal NDC to finya funa for instance halin bi ma woro smugba amalakota man diga mo for instance new regis mu buka create na akade nite nchoro all ones na amonto nchoro new regis na koso funa ability inaugurate another new executives no man person no man that man lato okeni kan kemeyo ekenite ndana keke from western region botum bro hafo halam botum mampusuto akama mel mbas melgam jiga ntagamo amashen gbanye manna akaba MPP bimbi abia or press conference na amela keke mo to mamankamo o umpel Samuel ka woron tagamo funa da layu ye yile ko foridua entre John Mama fun John Mama layu na amuso na be worle asambod bon so na bamben so munji e chefu so akuba manka bia tala
but the Samuel of 2016 manada the Samuel of 2019
no amama the guy no adiga nye ke fun ke bibre ba worko shen na kamon wale fik bergo mo kosuna bre kuma ala fun abai mo gwa bamba bi foli enchitu na cardinal longe amana be kurkurkum na mena efin andona bi ngini fune koskuna bi fin suna do
but the problem with Samuel man abinya ngana moko
anyama ngana mo
no because people possible people malga ne
no fa bisha ne fara anka fara na mo nta fara mena nyimu
because it seems mabale people main problem
anyama problem ma assure fun fake abrited mene
3 October
funduma be sit na Samuel Mantijiku
Samuel Abujina for deputy chief of staff
Amantijiku man na kanfo Amantijiku
with resources we need acquire them
yeah basaka bi muslim na ba friend am bi jai mana bi nta Amantijiku mu mbanyi melelo
mo photo na photo we a foli ne ba woro mo lanta fmo wa
na foli ba na ba ko lenjai ai ngba bangana ngbanyo ka gbanyo ka ta mata mo funtumu na masherbe because for bana for batuma ka gbanyo mama salon anyi na nyi be jiga kana kama ka gbanyo masa buka kan batumuna
is it going to Labour Malgara na be campaign for 2020 against Samuel
anya mna kan anya lra be campaign strategy ama yin fufune anyi bi jala sna ona galus bi na betin jikumo alasa nchebento londma o alredon ama alredon wa funa yo daboya lawyer bi na bor bi kito bi jikumo lawyer bi etakumuna afo teacher mumu ba nyifu kwa kabi fo dasmo teacher mumu ni bre alasa mumu ni mogwa alaso na bi njikumuna
abajamuna yo good morning to you and Alhaji Muniru. The decentralization of regional department is nowhere near a good plan for development. Kayerbe constituency demawo ba zongo kedere hi, my name is Samzi all the way from Dema. I am happy for this wonderful program. Big thanks to you. Nafaga Tamba. Kedere, a WhatsApp message na she. Okay, quickly. There is an ongoing construction for the Cargo International Airport at Boachepe currently. We are doing a lot for the Savannah region. Bello from Bulimpi. Again, Bapor Airport in Savannah region. Something John Mama couldn't do.
You want to feel that Vasarlo?
Alaji.
Feel you wama. Feel wukma. Baka kamba warna fuwa. Kari mubinsa masamba sabo flianye. Anki ke kachinare. Akuma bisa basic needs na.
Okay.
Fisa fuba wabwa kan kligi. Kosumo kabentamba. Ba kabro anka chinare. Petro be yaoyo. Light ba. Binate aka. Kene shemu kapitoro. Kene ko yumu no bata outanye. Asuko le kaya ta $1 million damta. Asuka diga mentamba ka longanye. Emi mekene shemu na ora. Kacho otina nyal ramu kigengini bumoy.
Fola la lobe kamalga kuma nafuko asanye.
Mabla la lobe kamalga la fene kana famalga na. Fi anye jujo eshi Savannah region because NDC bi luku fufuna nyenji. Misa ka kamala kesinte.
Kamala kesinte.
Yes, anyenji anye bo osunna kike.
Bokoko kole shisla
e kuma kan yen njamu keke e shi na kwai an njamu na ke chemu na yile ndo ajezuira e binjikumu for understand hal MPP bibi bi vote na samo mana kan fare with the help of everybody
be afọ ba na mention say
ayi alo mamlgai no wana chinsa kuma re bi aka mu ke bi gba mo mention de ma wan for understand mo mu ni kele shi de ma but ko so ne kan alai ma ba kamel be you NDC bi kotuna
okay
NDC be beji kenyiti na br na br bus na nyata kasha ne yirda an piabr na wurlo ma bu 7 seats na ke anyan jamu anya maintain number 6 kinji slogan danso kana se John Mama high vote yirda na are important amaka brefie no askumu ko so na ka melga akoya wurle amanku yirda na bakma wura amuso mabi kan aswasa de kunter ku ke bishim mbronto ay mene adiga NDC ka wura finya NDC kanana chinle ngare amblak kalafon baka penalty na sanye
penalty
yes goalkeeper mamu posto because the conditioner so ko ben desna ama na mampia brnene
di mantinji
amuso anyare ni ball asuma na ngme ball na adrapna so ki jibre anwo sure so bus na pia bus enke fune o ya bulu fem bibi ntinji ko basu ke bishuna so no kusundiga ni kusu kuma le na nya be basu so na kan asdora na ya so asa na nya sa kuma le unity vigilance the new message unity vigilance
and the new
message
so that na aborek na Ghana be for instance can come from John Mama na be president on the 7th of January 2020
na board we to kuma be ora
nenke kene cabinet list na be fin secretary as a chief of staff as a minister again
kuma le John Mama na party na ba yiko na anyi ma woron kula oppose so to kumora na branye ne mi kan fun basa awra bar yadana kula basa kanyanto o shofin John Mama na boko ti afifuna anya komuna na fara wa berbaya efino post anya mna mfundo adiga anye ke pin kan na nyanchin na ne kurara ba
okay
point fa ba fi ko son fifa kurbre abora na sa mora bor ti enyu kwa na me yile ne mo atenta mo ne den ku san kan lo na funyin gbesimantin chira komo so akaba ne moenda amamar wura ma bisa kacha kuso an kan jilugo fitar man bafe an ba bishima third distant for kan fufune John Dramani Mahama being betemba as president of the republic because fugbagba e be nufo fugbagba e chergene visa
Muna Muniru former minister Greg former Northern minister former Upper East Regional minister another technocrat na assume the director na Ministry of Health Chipurare a proud Damango boy but amalganyo na malga amalganyo na malga there's no way no MPP benje Damango be seat. It's very controversial though because for Kenny Abuena nyenye ni Damango wuri gidigidi lawyer Samuel Abujina also and of course anamalga by the Savannah region mesha katako chugbengbengi and some of ne akanye Germany mba honorable Asan Kusung about alberka water Asan Kusung but sanga kafenga bike nji point for ba more show of next week anyana nye fonfe no problem
la dopuna
fula dopuna munfedo finally munfedo
me woro boyu awro shinkafa awro soya
beans
ka awro sogum amwana for fini kumusu make ask mana mene kijibre be matak more politics
so rasta I faber musogum mo producer ko I faber musogum
no problem
Henry I faber musogum
okay I abula nya ndoto bisa nchini fi awora
okay so Stanley I faber na nya ndoto I ndo ni sogum na wa asan kusin awora kan time for chief for the number assalamu alaikum salam